Hello YouTube, this is Major Allen, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Wheatley Portal Core flashlight. So let me open this box up. I got this off the ThinkGeek, so I got a lot of my gaming memorabilia. Okay. The package it comes in looks pretty good. It shows Portal 2. It says designed with ThinkGeek, and it says it's official. The valve it says Portal Wheatley LED flashlight. Has the Portal 2 symbol below it. So I'm going to get to opening this. Okay, so on this thing, the folds are movable, the handle things. It comes with a chain on it. I don't know if I really like that. I mean, it gives someone a hold, it gives it a way for it to swing and hold. And there's a section here where you put the screws in on the side. On the other side, that activates the light. And the light is actually pretty bright. Wheatley, the actual core may be dim, but his light is actually pretty bright. I'm going to turn the thing off. And that is actually pretty bright. Good for lighting up the caverns in the back of the old facility. So in the end, I'm satisfied with this. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's a flashlight. So I'll see you later the next time I get to do a review.